got a hand of baby birds. Would you like a hand of baby birds? I got a hand of baby birds. Would you like a hand of baby birds, Mr. Sam?
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
A new perch? What do you think? Oh my goodness, what are you doing? What are you doing, huh?
Cause I'm right here, darling, I'm right here. Close your pretty eyes, my
This week, we're in Lancashire, with a mum desperate to turn the tide on her family's current eating, shopping and spending habits. We are the Allison
little tongue is all by your side. You got it took too long, you better. You got it took too long, you better. You got it took too long.
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
So this is my attack dog. People are more afraid of him than they are of most things. Go get him, boy. Yeah, you see that charging at you? Come here, Sam. See this thing charging at you? You better be terrified. Yeah, you better be terrified. They scary. You're a scary boy. Yeah, yeah, you bad. You a bad boy, huh? Yeah, you gonna mess him up for me, right? Yeah. That's my boy. Yeah, it's my boy.
What? What are you saying? Are you saying what's up? Can you say what's up?
What's up?
Good boy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Just lay down here nice. Relax. Can you say what's up?
What's up? What's up?
Good boy, buddy. You're a good boy. You're so smart. Yes, you are. Do you want to lay down for a little bit before bed? Just relax. Lay down. Lay down. We're going to have a snooze.
Bedtime. What's that about? Stop it. Give me a kiss. Fuck's sake. What are you doing? Shh. What? What?
Good morning, Rio. Good morning. Good morning, chicken. Say hi. Hi, baby.
What you doing? What are you doing?
I'm recording you.
What are you doing, man?
Yeah?
Skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul and seal your doom tonight.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
I love you.